Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Hafiz, and I will explain about Talempong and persuade people to continue the tradition of Talempong. The beauty of traditional Minangkabau music lie in the unique range of the musical instrument. One of them is Talempong, the one that has very distinct sound than other instruments. From this page, I will get the information about how Talempong becomes something that related a lot to Minangkabau local wisdom. As I'm Minangkabau people, especially young generation, we need to keep the tradition continue. So, if you want vanish because of current trend. Talempong is a traditional musical instrument from West Sumatra that was made from brass. Each talempong has round shape with a hole on the bottom side, and there is prominent sound about on the top side. Talempong can produce different sound because the difference of its diameter, its type of percussion instrument, and people usually use a bed mode of wood. For the most part, Talempong were used to convey traditional dance such as tari piring, tari pasambahan, etc. And also been used welcoming special guests in Minangkabau traditional event. As a Minangkabau people, we have a responsibility to keep our traditional tradition from extinction, because we want able to be apart from the tradition. We didn't have to know how to play the instrument, but at least we have the knowledge about it and keeps continuing. Turn this into people outside from Minangkabau. I think that's all. That's all I can tell about Talempong. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.